Enhance your garage with the world's finest modular flooring system. Swisstrax garage floor tiles protect your floor and give your garage a finished showroom feel. This is a step-by-step guide on how to install a Swisstrax flooring system in your garage. Here are the suggested tools and equipment you might need for your garage floor installation. For more information, visit our online installation guide. Today we're installing a 2-car garage flooring system with Swisstrax signature RibTrax Pro Tile. First, you'll need to remove all items from your garage to expose the flooring you plan to cover with Swisstrax tiles. After removing all items from the floor, you'll want to sweep out or vacuum any debris from the surface of the floor. Our instructions for garage floor installation are based on a garage with no specific features like cabinets or built-in counters, but we provide additional resources and suggestions when working around permanent fixtures within your garage. Have your garage floor design handy before you start your installation. You'll start your installation at the opening of your garage. While inside your garage, facing the garage door, locate the top left corner to begin tile installation. Place the first tile with the pegged sides of the tile facing the left wall and garage door entry wall. You'll want to leave a 1/4 inch gap between the first tile and the wall to allow for expansion and contraction, depending on the weather in your area and if you keep your garage door open for long periods of time. Varying temperatures may have an effect on the flooring system. If you start on the left side, be sure your 2 looped edges are facing to the right and back of your garage, while the pegged edges are facing to the left and opening of the garage. Begin to lay out the first 3 rows of the flooring system. When you've reached the opposite wall, you'll most likely have to cut the final tile. So lay tile aside until the majority of the flooring system has been installed. After the first 3 rows have been installed, you'll move on to installing the beveled edges to the garage opening. To connect your edges, slightly lift the front row tile and slide the looped edges under the first tile. Firmly press down to secure. Continue installing until you've reached the opposite side of the garage door. Once the edges have been installed, close your garage door and push the flooring system forward until it's pressed up against the inside of the garage door. We recommend having 2 people to help with this process to ensure proper alignment with the garage door. Continue to install the rest of your Swisstrax flooring system, interlocking the tiles row by row, working towards the back wall. Use your printed floor design to guide you when laying out your tiles to match your floor pattern. Once your floor has been assembled, it's time to measure and mark your remaining tiles that need to be cut. The tiles can be cut using any type of electrical saw with a fine-tooth blade attached. For more information on how to cut Swisstrax tiles, visit the installation page on our website. Use the cut tiles to fill in the remaining spaces against your walls, garage door, and any other permanent fixtures. Leftover tile materials are 100% recyclable, so please discard responsibly. Be the envy of your neighbors with your new Swisstrax flooring system. Install in hours, enjoy for decades. For additional installation assistance, use the support section on the Swisstrax website or reach out to our Swisstrax flooring specialists today.